This is the 45-degree edger, which is a wonderful device for working with boxes or any kind of three-dimensional square shape or rectangular shape. It's used in conjunction with the straight edge. And what it allows you to do is, on corners where you have pieces of glass, copper foiled, where one has overlapped the other, you're always trying to negotiate which side is going to overlap and which side isn't and how much. And then when you solder it, it's off line, so you don't really get a square corner. What we want to do here is 45-degree bevel these edges, so when we put them together, not only do we get a line right on the corner, but we get a smaller, more delicate line that looks more professional. This 45-degree edger has a little stop on the right-hand side. What we do is move it right up to the blade, and we use the straight edge all the way in. The straight edge is pushed all the way in at this point. And I get it as close to the 45-degree beveler as I can, loosen it, and press it right up against the blade. And then I back it off just enough so that that edger flows through without actually touching the blade. I'll move that back just a little bit more. There we go. There we go. Now when I put the piece of glass onto here, I put it right on the edge, on the stop, and it goes all the way down until it hits the stop at the bottom. I want to make sure I get it square. I also want to make sure that the piece is clean so that the piece of glass goes all the way down into the corner. And now I'm going to turn the piece of glass around. And you can do this from either side. You can push this way or this way. It doesn't matter. Now I'm going to change the piece of glass and use the other piece of glass. I'm going to turn that piece of glass around. Now when I put those two pieces together, I get a nice tight corner that fits nicely and has a very, very delicate line so that it looks more professional and is easier actually to assemble.